Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On your iPad. It's a fantastic way to revisit a timeless classic, bringing back those nostalgic moments right to your fingertips. We'll cover everything from choosing the right emulator to getting your game files and setting up your controls. Get ready to enjoy Mario's adventures, saving Princess Peach, all from the convenience of your tablet. It's simpler than you might think, and the fun is truly endless. Choosing the right emulator is your first key step. There are many options out there, some completely free and others requiring a small purchase. You'll want one specifically designed for iOS that supports Nintendo Entertainment System games. Always check recent user reviews and ensure it's compatible with your iPad's current operating system. Many good emulators offer helpful features like saving your game progress at any point and customizing your on-screen buttons for comfort. Next, you'll need the game files, often called ROMs. These are digital versions of the original game cartridges. It's important to know that you can legally play ROMs of games you already own. A quick online search for NES-ROM will point you to various archives. However, always be careful and download from well-known, reputable websites to protect your device from any unwanted software. Safety first when exploring the digital world. With your emulator installed and ROM file ready, it's time to set up and play. First, launch the emulator and locate where to load your Super Mario Bros. ROM. Then, take a moment to configure your on-screen controls for the best experience, or even better, connect a Bluetooth gamepad for that authentic feel. Now you're all set to jump, run, and stomp your way through the Mushroom Kingdom, helping Mario rescue Princess Peach once again. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.